can get pretty tough waking up at 4:30 a.m, especially when you realise that you got to milk 900 cows for 3 hours straight. On a more positive note though, you're completely surrounded by mature women, which is a good thing. I've noticed from working on a dairy farm is that you're gonna get pissed on, you're gonna get shit on, you're gonna get electrocuted.
I drove through the front yard, I parked on the bridges on the coastline like I never did. I thought nothing lasts forever, no, nothing lasts forever. Through the front yard, I parked on the bridges on the coastline like I never did. I thought nothing lasts forever, no, nothing lasts forever.
What? Sometimes I like to dress up as a fly and juggle eggs.
Together until I heard the news, and now I'm alone with my thoughts in the ocean. I'll stay here forever, waiting for you. I drove through the front yard, I parked on the bridges on the coastline like I never did. I thought nothing lasts forever, no, nothing lasts forever. Through the front yard, I parked on the bridges on the coastline like I never did.
So since the start a few months ago, we've been picking up the calves from the paddocks. I feel like over the last few months I've definitely had this connection with them, watching them grow, and I feel like we've got that bond, you know.
Here's a good girl.